Hello, mathematicians. Here is area and perimeter homework for kids who are feeling like they're right where they should be. All right, number one, find the perimeter and the area. So the perimeter is adding the lengths of all the sides. 9 plus 5 plus 9 plus 5, giving us a total perimeter of 28 centimeters. Remember, you're just adding lengths together, so it's just plain centimeters. All right, the next one is area, and area is the space inside. And to find the area, we do length times width. 9 times 5 is 45. When I say area, you say square area. So it's square centimeters. Remember, square area is just a way for us to remember that it's square centimeters, square feet, square units. If you were to actually have little squares in there and you had 9 across the top and 5 across the side, guess how many squares there would be? There would be 45 squares. Okay. Number 2, find the perimeter and area of this shape, and it's a little bit different because it's not just a plain rectangle. It's actually 2 rectangular pieces put together. To find the perimeter, it's pretty easy. We're going to do 7 plus 3, which is 10. 5 plus 3 plus 2 is another 10, so we're at 20. Plus 6 more is 26. And think plain perimeter, so it's just plain feet. The area would be length times width. The problem with this is that it's kind of an odd shape. So most kids find a lot of success with splitting it up into 2 separate shapes and finding the area of each of them and then adding them together. 2 times 3, that gives us an area of 6 square feet. And 3 times 7, that would be this part, gives us an area of 21 square feet. And 21 square feet plus 6 square feet would be 27 square feet. Okay, moving on to number 3. Find the perimeter and the area. Remember, all 4 lengths are not written, but you still need to add the lengths of all the sides. 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5 gives us a total perimeter of 26, just plain inches. And the area would be length times width. 8 times 5 is 40 square inches. Okay. Moving on to the back. Lori was making a 4-inch by 6-inch card. She wanted to put ribbon around the edges. That's perimeter. And a big sticker on the front. That's area. The first question is, how much ribbon will Lori need? So that's perimeter because it goes around the edge. 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4. That's 20 inches of ribbon. And then it says, could a sticker that was 20 square inches fit on the card? Well, let's figure out the area of the card. 6 times 4, that's 24 square inches. So could a sticker that was 20 fit on it? I would say yes. The area is 24 square inches. So a 20 square inch card would fit. Okay, number 5. Callie was building a play fort. The east wall of the fort was 8 feet by 6 feet, but Callie cut 2 windows into it that were 2 feet by 2 feet. How much of the wall is not a window? Meaning, what's the area of the wall, but without the windows? So we need to find the area of the whole thing before the windows were cut. And the area would be length times width. 8 times 6 is 48. The Then we need to take out the area of each window. 2 feet by 2 feet, that's 4 square feet. And 2 feet by 2 feet, that's another 4 square feet, which is 8 altogether. So if we take away the area of the windows, that leaves us with a final answer of 40 square feet. So that's just the gray part. And the last one, what happens to the perimeter of a rectangle if you double both dimensions? I think we should draw it. So if we double the length, instead of 5, it's going to be 10. And instead of 3, it's going to be 6. So that would be if we doubled both dimensions. What happens to the area of the rectangle if you double both dimensions as well as the perimeter? So let's figure out the perimeter first. 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 gives us a perimeter of 16. And the perimeter of the one where we doubled the length and doubled the width, 10 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6, that would be a perimeter of 32 feet. So what happens to the perimeter? The perimeter is doubled. And the area, length times width, 5 times 3 gives us an area of 15 square feet. And the area of the bigger one, 10 times 6, gives us an area of 60 square feet. So to get from 15 to 60, that is quadrupled, or multiplied by 4. And the reason it gets quadrupled is because you double length and double width. And 2 times 2 is 4. I'm not sure how accurate my drawing is, but let's go ahead and put this in. And can you see that there's 1, 2, it's a little long, 3, 4 that would fit in there. If my drawing were perfect, it would look even better. So the area is quadrupled the size. All right, here are the answers on the front. And the answers on the back. All right, kids, I will see you in class.